Yeah, so she's being fired because she's been 30 minutes late.
So you say that she was more than 30 minutes late, more than 40 minutes late. Did you offer her like a chance to get it together?
She was warned multiple times.
Was that warning on paper? Was it verbal?
It was verbal. It was a verbal warning.
Verbal warning. Yeah, see, that's the thing with verbal warnings. If it's not on paper, then it just didn't happen. You know what I mean? So in the contract, it is very clear that if a person is late, they would get a warning. And those warnings need to be written out before you go on and fire, you know, one of our people.
She came back to work with a 30-inch bust down.
Oh, so she came back with new hair. Again, you know, new hair. She could have been sick and got the hair done while she was sick. It could be a wig.
Are you fucking kidding me?
We don't know that she went to get her hair done in lieu of coming to work that day. That's just not something that we can say as a definitive fact. So we should just argue, you know, definitive facts here.
We told her if she was late again, she was going to get fired.
Oh, okay. So you did tell her that she would be terminated if she would be late again. That sounds a lot like a threat to me, kind of curtailing progressive discipline here. If you're going to threaten somebody to fire somebody and remove, you know, pieces of their livelihood, at the very least, you should be able to provide a written reprimand, and you're unable to provide that right now. So, you know, I would hate to file a grievance, but you should reinstate her employment immediately and probably put her on like a progressive improvement plan. Thanks in advance.
Rych Babes, you ever wake up one day and realize that you were training your replacement the whole time? That's exactly what happened to her. Like, she's about to turn 25 this month, thought that she had more time, thought that the job loved her the way that she loved it, until the day she got called into that office and heard the words, "We are letting you go." She said that she loved the job, she loved her manager, and when they offered to pay for the day, she was so hurt she told them, "Don't pay me at all." Now she's crying in the car, realizing what a lot of us had to learn the hard way. You can love something and still lose it if you stop showing up for it. Because the truth is, the world does not run on love. It runs on reliability. Hey, Rych Babes, it's Robyn Milan, and welcome back to the channel where we do it the rich way, girl. We think rich, get rich, and stay rich. So let's get right into this video, and I'll be back at the end, okay?
I just got fired. I haven't gotten fired since I was a fucking teenager. And it was because of me calling out of work and being late. And I loved that job. I loved that job. And I just said to my manager, I said, "Why couldn't you have emailed me and told me I was coming close to this? Like, I'm like, you know that this is a shock." But this is a reminder that you were disposable. I just trained somebody new, so now that they have the new trainee, they're fine, right? I tried to call my mom, but she didn't pick up. So now I'm making this video. And I loved my manager. I loved her. Now I'm like concerned about money. God, I just spent so much money yesterday. So now I'm thinking about money. This is all I have to wipe my tears right now. And my coworker who I just trained, like I was talking about, he was shocked. He was like, when I came out and because they were like, "Do you want us to go get your belongings?" Like I was like too embarrassed to go or something. And I was like, no. I was like, I can go get it. Look at that. Crazy. Wow. My birthday is this month. It's October 8th right now. And my birthday is October 25th. And I'm unemployed. It's my golden year. I'm turning 25 on the 25th. They're like, we're paying you for the full 8 hours. I was like, wow, thanks. I said, I don't care. I said, don't pay me for the full 8 hours. Don't care. Don't pay me for the day. I said, I don't care. I was clearly upset. I'm sorry, guys. I wanted to make this video because I don't have anyone to talk to right now.
All right, my love. So I think this story kind of hit some people because it is real, right? Like, not because she got fired, but because she represents what happens when you underestimate how fast life will replace you. It's easy to say, oh, I love that job, but love doesn't pay the bills, okay? Love does not clock in for you. Love doesn't make you indisposable. You do. And that's the part adulthood doesn't warn you about. There is no sympathy in structure. Jobs, relationships, opportunities, they'll keep moving if you don't. You can be the sweetest, most well-liked, but if you're not consistent, someone else will be. That's not cruelty, that's consequence. And if you don't learn it now, hey, life will make you learn it later. But here's the good news. Being replaceable doesn't mean you are worthless. It just means that you have to build something that just can't be taken away from you. Discipline, self-respect, self-trust, work ethic, those are the currencies nobody can fire you from. So let this be just a wake-up call to all my young girlies out there, all right? And maybe even some mid ones too, okay? Listen, some of y'all be acting up at them jobs. Listen, it's not just for her, it's for everybody watching this right now. So if you've been lazy with your position, if you've been lazy with your purpose, slipping on your consistency, thinking that you've got more time, this is just a reminder that time moves on without permission, girl. So don't wait for life to humble you. Start showing up like you've already learned a lesson, because when you start treating every opportunity like a blessing, you stop being replaceable, okay? And when you stop being replaceable, you start becoming unforgettable, all right? Okay. So listen, comment below. I'm showing up for me now, okay? So you don't get fired in this economy, okay? Because crying in the car is temporary, but becoming the woman who never let it happen again, that's forever, all right? So my lovelies, make sure that you are on my email list, girl. Make sure that you are on my email list at richmilanco.com. Oh, we are leading up to the moment to launching the private community November the 1st, which is this Saturday. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. So my loves, listen, if you're not on the email list, get on it. I will be sending out an email tomorrow talking more about the private community. I'm so excited about it. All right. So my lovelies, listen, I'll see you at the top because the bottom is too crowded. Until next time, Rich Babes, stay rich. Love you.